Toyota memory seat systems are advanced comfort features that automatically save and recall your preferred driving position. These systems eliminate the need to manually readjust your seat every time you drive. Memory seats are now standard on many 2024 and 2025 Toyota models. These include the Camry XLE and XSE trims, Highlander Platinum, Tundra Premium packages, and all Lexus vehicles. Toyota memory seat systems consist of several key components working together. The position memory module stores your settings, while powerful seat adjustment motors provide 8 to 10-way positioning control. The memory controls are typically located on the driver's side door panel. You'll find a set button and numbered buttons for each memory position, usually labeled 1 and 2, though some models offer a third position. Most Toyota memory seat systems can store 2 to 3 different positions. Modern systems integrate with your key fob, automatically adjusting the seat when you approach the vehicle with your specific key. The primary benefit of Toyota's memory seat system is convenience and consistency. Whether you share your vehicle with family members or simply want the perfect driving position every time, these systems ensure optimal comfort and safety by maintaining proper seat positioning. Now that you understand what Toyota memory seat systems are and their benefits, the next step is learning how to properly initialize and program these positions for your specific needs. Step 1. Start your vehicle or turn the ignition to the on position. This activates the electrical systems needed for memory seat programming. Step 2. Manually adjust your seat to the perfect position. Use the power seat controls to set the forward and backward position, seat height, backrest angle, and lumbar support. Also adjust your side mirrors and steering wheel to your preferred positions. Step 3. Locate and press the Set button. Hold it down until you hear a beep sound. This beep indicates the system is ready to store your position settings. Step 4. Immediately after hearing the first beep, press and hold your chosen memory button. You can select button 1, 2, or 3, depending on which position you want to store. Hold the button until you hear a second beep confirming successful storage. Step 5. Test your memory setting to ensure it was stored correctly. Move your seat to a different position, then press the memory button you just programmed. The seat should automatically return to your saved position. Step 6. For 2024 and newer Toyota models, you can link your memory settings to individual key fobs. Access your vehicle's settings menu through the infotainment system and enable automatic seat adjustment based on which key fob is used to unlock the car. Your Toyota memory seat is now successfully initialized and ready to use. The system will remember your preferred driving position and automatically adjust whenever you press your assigned memory button.